So the kickoff credit is not like a real credit card. It's just an account that they're going to report to the credit bureaus, a $750 account they're going to report to the credit bureaus, that can actually help you increase your credit score. They're only going to report it to Equifax and Experian. That's what the kickoff credit account is. They have other accounts on there, but with this one, they're going to report to the credit bureaus, and you can buy things inside of their online store, and you basically just want them to report to the credit bureaus, period. You don't really care too much about buying products, but that is what the kickoff credit is. And like I said to you guys, it's different accounts. This is the kickoff credit here. This is their credit builder loan. And then this is their new cash card. I remember somebody was putting comments about the new cash card. I didn't have access to it, but here is their new cash card, and we're going to go over that shortly. But this is the kickoff credit. Right now I'm just paying $2 per month. On this, it's a $500 account because I signed up for it early. But if you guys sign up now, it's going to be a $750 account that they're going to report to Equifax and to Experian, and it should boost your credit score, especially if you have a very